Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will unbox my lens cover. So what is lens cover? Lens cover is basically to cover your lens in the field. In the case of birding or wildlife photography, you may need some camouflage of your big, white or black lens. Like mine is Tamron 150 to 600 G2. So this is black lens. So in these cases, you need to camouflage it, and for this purpose, the lens cover is used. So I will buy this lens cover to protect your lens, protect my lens from outer atmosphere. I know this lens is weather shield, and as well as to camouflage this lens in the field. So let's start our unboxing. This is the box I get from Amazon. So over this there was one bubble pack wrap and another Amazon branding wrap. So right now I am unboxed this thing, like you can say in plastic this thing. You can see this is Tuskr's Lensshild. Let's open this. This is it, guys. This is the entire thing. You can see the part by part of my lens. Definitely I will show you how to install this thing in your lens, and after that how it looks and how this will help you. So this is the number. You have to follow the number of the instruction manual. To put this thing on the lens, you can see this is it. This is the number and this is the instruction you have to follow. So this is pretty easy, guys. Let me show you the installation.